If you're out in the wild, having a reliable lighter can make all the difference, whether it's for starting a campfire, lighting a stove, or just preparing for emergencies. In this video, I'll review the 10 best electric lighters for camping, breaking down their key features so you can find the right one for your next adventure. Number 1. LcFun Waterproof Rechargeable Electric Lighter. If you're looking for a compact and durable option, the LcFun Waterproof Rechargeable Electric Lighter is a strong contender. Made with zinc material, it's lightweight at just 1.55 ounces and small enough to slip into your pocket or backpack. It uses a USB rechargeable system, taking about 2 hours to fully charge, and it operates with a built-in lithium battery. Since it's flameless, you won't have to worry about the wind blowing it out while starting a fire. Overall, it's a great pick for campers who want something sturdy, travel-friendly, and dependable in unpredictable weather. Number 2. SUPRUS Windproof Flameless Electric Lighter. The SUPRUS Windproof Flameless Electric Lighter is another excellent choice, especially if safety is a priority. Built with a sleek metal body, this lighter weighs only 1.76 ounces and has a slim design that makes it easy to carry. It's equipped with multiple safety protections, including overheating, overload, and overcharge protection, which extend its lifespan and keep usage safe. It also uses a USB charging system for convenience. Being windproof and flameless, it works reliably outdoors where traditional lighters fail. If you value safety features and want a slim, easy-to-use lighter, the SUPRUS electric lighter model is worth considering for your camping gear. Number 3. KTEBO Rechargeable Windproof Electric Lighter. The KTEBO Rechargeable Windproof Electric Lighter is built for versatility and safety. With a 12-inch long design and a 360-degree rotatable elbow, it makes lighting campfires, grills, or stoves much easier, especially when you need to reach tricky angles. It comes with multiple safety features, including power-off protection, short-circuit protection, and a safety lock switch. Plus, it's non-flammable, weather-resistant, and rechargeable, ensuring it holds up well during outdoor adventures. The windproof functionality adds extra reliability, making it a smart choice for campers who want safety and convenience in one device. Number 4. FUKKUDA Rechargeable Electric Lighter. If you prefer something lightweight with a modern design, the FUKKUDA Rechargeable Electric Lighter is a solid pick. Weighing only 1.2 ounces, it's made from aluminum and alumina ceramic, giving it a sleek yet durable build. One of its standout features is the dual-switch safety lock controller, which prevents accidental ignition, a great benefit for safe storage in backpacks. It's windproof, rechargeable, and designed for a comfortable grip, making it a user-friendly option for camping or everyday use. Number 5. TOPKAY Rechargeable Windproof Electric Lighter. The TOPKAY Rechargeable Electric Lighter combines durability with practicality. Constructed from metal, it features a heat-resistant head for added safety during use. At 7 inches long, it strikes a good balance between portability and usability. It's windproof, USB rechargeable, and built to withstand outdoor conditions. The overall design focuses on safe ignition while ensuring you won't be struggling against the wind when starting a fire. For campers who need a straightforward, reliable lighter, the TOPKAY model checks all the boxes. Number 6. VEHHE Rechargeable Electric Lighter. The VEHHE Rechargeable Electric Lighter is designed with flexibility in mind. Made from zinc alloy, it features a 360-degree rotatable neck that makes it easy to light stoves, campfires, or lanterns at different angles. At just 70 grams, it's lightweight yet sturdy. This lighter includes a safety lock controller for extra protection, ensuring it doesn't turn on accidentally while packed away. It's USB rechargeable and windproof, which means it works well even in breezy outdoor conditions. If you want a practical lighter that adapts to different situations, the VEHHE model is a smart addition to your camping gear. Number 7. Laffizz Rechargeable Waterproof Electric Lighter. The Laffizz Rechargeable Electric Lighter stands out as one of the more versatile options on this list. Built from ABS plastic and metal, it's both durable and portable, with a compact body measuring just 2.7 inches long. What makes it unique is its dual power design. It functions as a rechargeable electric lighter with a USB system, but it also includes a refillable butane option. On top of that, it's both waterproof and windproof, making it a reliable choice for campers who want backup options. With a 360-degree dual-arc ignition and a safety lock controller, this lighter blends innovation, durability, and convenience. Number 8. SOYOK Windproof Electric Lighter. For those who want extra functionality, the SOYOK electric lighter is a great pick. It's built from metal with a flexible 360-degree rotating neck that makes it easy to reach awkward spots, whether you're lighting a stove or a deep fire pit. This lighter comes with multiple safety protections, including overheat, overload, and overcharge protection. It also has a battery notification feature, so you'll always know when it's time to recharge. With its windproof design and USB charging system, it's a dependable option for campers who like added safety and convenience. Number 9. REIDEA Windproof Rechargeable Electric Lighter. The REIDEA Windproof electric lighter combines durability with extra safety features. Made from zinc, it's sturdy yet compact, weighing just 100 grams. This lighter is windproof and flameless, making it reliable in outdoor conditions where a standard flame lighter might fail. It's designed with a child-proof function, a non-slip switch, and a hidden safety lock to prevent accidental ignition. Plus, it's rechargeable through a USB charging system and even comes with a 1-year warranty, which gives some added peace of mind. If you want a safe, long-lasting option with extra protection features, the REIDEA lighter is a solid pick. Number 10. MEIRUBY Rechargeable Electric Lighter. The MEIRUBY Rechargeable Electric Lighter rounds out the list with a sleek and durable aluminum alloy design. At 8.3 inches long and weighing just over 4 ounces, it's lightweight but comfortable to handle. It's powered by a USB charging system and built to be windproof, ensuring you can light a fire even in breezy conditions. Its modern look combined with practical features makes it a reliable option for campers who want both style and function. Thanks for watching. This is my list of the 10 best electric lighters for camping. Each of these models brings something unique, whether it's waterproof protection like the LcFun and Laffizz, flexible rotating designs like the VEHHE and SOYOK, or extra safety features like the REIDEA and SUPRUS. I've included the links in the description so you can check out more details and the latest prices. And if you found this guide helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more outdoor gear reviews.